Hi everyone. Today we start with chapter 4, The Ant and the Dove. From this chapter we are going to learn the value of kindness. What is kindness? Kindness is a virtue. Kindness fills us with happiness. Kindness can be shown through actions, words, or gestures. We should be kind all the time and not only in certain situations. Kindness means being concerned for someone and helping him or her. Being kind makes us happy and helps all to live together. It's easy to be kind. We can be kind in many ways. So, this chapter is about kindness and we are going to read this chapter. You also read with me, it will improve your vocabulary and reading skill. The Ant and the Dove. There was an ant who was very thirsty. She was looking for water. She found a river and went to drink water from it. While drinking water, she slipped and fell into the river. There was a tree on the bank of the river. A dove was sitting on it. He saw the ant drowning. So, in this story, there are two characters, the ant and a dove. And we know that ant is a very small thing. One day this ant was very thirsty and she was looking for water. At last she found a river and she wanted to drink water from that river. While she was drinking water, what happened? She slipped and fell into the river. So there was a dove was sitting on the tree and she saw, and that dove saw that this ant was drowning, was sinking in the water. The dove quickly plucked a leaf from the tree with its beak. He dropped the leaf into water. The ant climbed onto the leaf. The leaf floated on the bank of the river and the ant was saved. Few days later, the ant came back near the same river. So, what happened now? The dove suddenly did a kind action. What was that? The dove plucked a leaf from the tree and he dropped that leaf into the water. And the ant also saw the leaf and the ant climbed on that leaf. We know that the leaf will not float on the water, it will not sink in the water, it will float on the water. So the ant also climbed on the leaf and it was floating, the leaf was floating, and at last they reached the bank of the river and the ant was saved by the dove. And few days later the ant also came to the same river, maybe for drinking water or something. She came after a few days later near the same river. She found the dove on the tree. Suddenly she saw a hunter aiming at the dove to kill him. The dove had not noticed the hunter. The ant remembered the dove's kindness and decided to save him. The ant quickly went near the hunter. She climbed on the hunter's foot and bit him hard. The hunter yelled in pain. He dropped the bow. The dove heard the hunter's cry and flew away. Thus, the dove was saved. So, when the ant was there near the bank of the river, she found that the dove was sitting on the tree, and suddenly she saw that a hunter is also standing there near the tree, and the hunter was aiming the dove to kill him. So at that time, ant was decided to do something in return, because on that day this dove saved the life of the ant. So in return, she also wanted to help the dove. So, but the dove didn't notice the hunter. The dove was sitting on the branch of a tree. So the ant, what she did, she quickly went near the hunter, and she climbed on the hunter's foot and she bit him very hardly. So we know that the ant could not do anything else. Only what she can do is she can bit very badly. So she did that, and the hunter yelled in pain. The hunter was crying because of the pain, and he dropped the bow. The bow was using to kill the dove, and the dove heard the hunter's cry. So suddenly the dove heard the hunter's cry, and he understood the danger, and he flew away from that tree, and the dove also saved by the ant. So this is the story about the ant and the dove, the act of kindness. The first, the dove helped the dove saved the life of the ant, and in return, the ant saved the life of dove. So what is the moral of the story? Kindness is a great virtue. We may be kind all the time. We can show our concern through our actions, words, and gestures. We want others to be kind to us. So, we must also be kind to others. And today's your homework is read this chapter 4 at least 3 times. Chapter 4 at least 3 times, and find out the answers of exercise A, B, and C. Thank you. Have a nice day.